Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Mint Purple Electric Tricycle Camper is turning heads, and not just because of its color. This compact, all-in-one vehicle blends sustainability, design flair, and surprising functionality, redefining what solo or duo urban adventure travel looks like. At first glance, the mint purple paint job stands out with a sleek satin finish that balances playfulness with sophistication. But beyond the aesthetics, this electric trike is all about innovation. Let's start with performance. Powered by a high-efficiency lithium battery, it boasts a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. More than enough for daily commuting, short getaways, or even extended trips with proper planning. The motor delivers smooth acceleration with a top speed capped at 28 km/h, ensuring it's street-legal in most cities while still offering a solid sense of speed. The side doors swing open wide, and the rear panel folds out, revealing a cleverly designed microcabin. The floor is made of bamboo composite, giving it a warm, natural feel. Built-in LED strip lighting casts a soft, adjustable glow, and the skylight-style roof vent keeps fresh air flowing. On one side, there's a convertible cushioned bench that quickly folds out into a twin-sized bed. Below it, smart storage drawers hold essentials. Think clothing, gear, even a portable power bank. Real-world use cases? This camper trike is ideal for digital nomads, eco-conscious travelers, or even urban dwellers looking to skip rent and embrace a minimalist lifestyle. It's compact enough to store in a garage, yet functional enough for off-grid weekends. In terms of cost, the base model starts at $8,500 with upgrade packages for solar capacity, heating, and connectivity. For solo travelers, digital nomads, or eco-minded commuters, it's a solid investment, and far cheaper than van life or RV alternatives. Of course, it's not made for harsh climates or off-road terrain, and taller users may find the ceiling clearance tight. But for urban camping, weekend escapes, or even full-time micro-living, the 2025 electric trike camper hits a very sweet spot. Lightweight, sustainable, and endlessly clever. This might just be the future of mobile living. Would you ride and live in one? If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more sustainable tech insights, and drop your thoughts below. Could you see yourself adventuring in this tiny, mint purple machine?